Hello, this is a new trade video for everyone. For you, so yeah. I have this clay, air dry clay. Yeah, you can have some of that. Mold putty. You can only get a very a medium-sized bag of it. I have eye pins. I have erasers. Please check out my erasers in my other trade offer video. I have this pencil, Hello Kitty pencil, these two pens, markers actually. I have these memo papers, and I can give you some memo papers of these. I can give you rhinestones. I can give you clear, pink, and orange and gold micro marbles. And I can give you this and this glitter. I can give eye pins, like I said. These key rings. I can give cell phone straps, but if you have cell phone straps, I would like them because I don't have much cell phone straps. I have key rings, and you cannot ask for all of them. It's kind of selfish, but I have magnet tape. I have key rings. Okay. I have clay. Squishy clay, real squishy clay. I have molds. All kinds. I have canes, slices. And I have this bowling pin you can have. And I have craft sand. And I can give you bags. I have all kinds of sizes. And I have this little pouch. I can also offer this little plushie cell phone. Never mind, not this one. Sorry for that. This baggie. Well, not not that baggie. You cannot have this baggie. Sorry, I'm a little confused. I have this letter set. This is only for one specific person, so don't ask for it. I will have to PM you. It has stickers and the letter, paper, and the envelopes, and the same here. Okay. And yeah, that's all that I can offer you. And I hope you do want to trade. And yeah.